would love for you to come on our website at abbaskidz.com to come and see a little bit more about our school and some of the particulars there. There's a phone number on our website on where to call, and when you call, you'll be setting up an interview with myself as the school administrator or one of our admins, and we'll give you a tour of the school, talk about what it is you want for your child, and see if we have a good match, because we want it to be as much as a fit for us as it is for your family.
Right.
And so going through that process of saying, where do you see your child, what's important to you, and then vice versa, I feel that we can bring forth this beautiful, harmonious relationship moving forward. So we'll have on this taping to our website at abbaskidz.com to go and seek more, or on our social media platform, and you can just click different little buttons and whatnot to find out a little bit more what we're doing with the school. If there are any questions or whatnot, find it through those different platforms, or just give us a call too here in Vancouver, Washington. We would love to meet you, and we know before no time we're going to have a waiting list. We already know it. God showed us the school is going to be packed. We're going to have a waiting list, and then we're going to be developing into middle school. So we would love for you to be a part of what we're doing here, or just partnering with us and sharing with us, I would love to launch one in my school or my community or my home, and we can just give you love and support, and especially prayer, and bless you with stepping out and taking the mountain of education for your family.